YouTube, what's good, man? We back, man. Shout out again to all the subscribers, the new ones that are coming up, and all the normal subscribers and everybody watching the videos, man. That's what's up. With you guys. So for today, man, I don't even like how this black shirt fits me, man, but it's whatever. Today's mission, we're gonna go ahead and call it experimental one. I mean, well, not really an experiment, but first modification is we got to change out these wheel hubs because the ABS sensor and the two front ones are messed up, or maybe they're all messed up, but I'm just gonna go ahead and swap both of them because our main goal is to see if we can get a burnout out of her today. My main problem not being able to do a burnout is not the power. It's just that I'm not able to turn off my traction control. My ABS light came on, so I'm guessing that my hubs are messed up and it's not allowing it to talk to the computer to turn off the sensor. So today we're going to swap out the hubs, and then we're going to see what type of spinning we can do on it, and then we can go from there to see what parts we need to buy. If we can get a little bit of smoke, you know what I'm saying, smoking these tires in the back with the music playing, man, I'll be totally happy with that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not asking for a big burnout. I can drop a cam in it and it'll burn out like nothing. But we're gonna go ahead and see what it does with just the changing out the hubs, being able to turn off that traction control. I'm gonna drop a small clip and show you what it does right now. It doesn't do much. Yesterday I did do a little baby burnout in it, but like I said, I can't even turn off that traction control, so it's even pointless. But I mean, like I said, we don't fake nothing around here, man, so we're gonna go ahead and show you what it do right now.
No, son.
All right, yesterday I had a little bit of more open space. There were some cars coming, so I had to just stop. And man, we live in the HOA, and man, these people don't like hearing stuff like that, so we had to chill a little bit. But you saw what it do, you know what I'm saying? I think it has the power to it, but with me not being able to turn off that traction control, I can't get them tires to spin. But that's what this video is here for today. We're gonna change out these hubs. Subscribe, comment down below, let me know what mod I should add next to make it burn out. And man, let's see what's popping, man. Stay tuned. The next thing, everything that's like painted that red and that where that spring shit out, everything, man, probably by like January I want to swap all that out and put like brand new shit.
All this?
Everything, all that shit that you see right there.
This is simple, bro. All it takes is the top
Yeah.
here, right here, matter of fact. Look.
Yeah, because I want to.
It's just removing this shit.
It's basically like the lowering kit.
Like this thing, I don't like to be real. See, like this doesn't even look put all the way in it unless it's like that.
Yeah, no, well the bushing's fucked up. That's why that you see that gap. Yeah. That's the bushes. Remember I told you I wanted to do the bushings?
Yeah. Oh, you never did them?
Nah. So that I'm just gonna swap out with the whole new lowering kit, and it already comes with the all brand new stuff. Instead of using like those same bolts and all that stuff, I'm just gonna do everything brand new. Yeah, though, I'm gonna do like them brakes gonna be no joke. Watch.
You just got brakes already too?
Yeah, remember you're the one that did the brakes the last time on it,
Yeah.
like earlier in the year.
Oh, I forgot.
How are the brakes looking though?
I ain't even look at them yet. I mean, you can look at the ones over there.
All right, let's look.
You just gotta look at the camera.
I don't even want to pull that bitch apart. I think I'm gonna try to get everything in the front so we can do everything at one shot. By that time, I'll have like those power drills and all this shit. What anyway?
One of those bumps. Hold the rim down.
But I'll do like those powered drills and all that shit, so we don't have to be
I
fucking.
got the thing to get a pump.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Like a compressor?
Yeah, compressor.
Oh, well, yeah, man, I got a compressor.
I got all that stuff at the crib. I could have done this way easier.
Bro's calipers on that video that slid right off.
I mean, them just came right off.
I think his was like a 2006 Trailblazer.
These bitches take it out.
Just stuck on that bit. Put that oil shit on it. Oh, you got it.
Okay, grip on this damn thing again. I thought this bitch came on in.
No, son.
All right, man, my boy Dudu again doing his thing. Look at the difference in these motherfuckers. Look at this one. Hey, look at this. Sliced. Brand new. Hopefully this shuts off the ABS. But I swear to God, I'll be so happy if it shuts off my ABS. All right, look at this shit. Oh my God. We're gonna replace a lot of this, but we're gonna go put the new hub in it. It's gonna look good. That's the other one that was in there. Old and moldy. Look at this thing. Compared to the new ones, that thing's ugly. That bitch is done. Look at it. Looks nice. One hub is done. We're about to put the other one on, put the tires on, and man, pray for the best that ABS light shuts off. Man. That's all I'm asking. So today was a very successful day. Man, we got rid of these old things, like, and this thing was spliced. You see it? That was one of the main problems. And then, you know, throughout it too as well. Look at it. It was already having wire separation. That one was all right, I guess. The bearings in there, I think they were pretty good, but you see they were rusted, so they still need to get swapped out, I feel. So the main thing for the truck today was make that traction control light turn off. Let me get the key and I'll show you. That was my main thing, is turning off that traction control, so then we can see what direction we need to go. Okay, so listen to this thing. Okay, so you see, once upon a time the ABS light was on, and the thing up there, the light was there. Look, now you see we can turn it on and off. Okay, if that light wouldn't have happened to come on for any reason, I'd have to change out the back hubs, but it's a different design than what it is in the front. So the back, it does have that hub, but you see these spines right here, it has the male part that goes attached to the rear axle where that pumpkin's at and where the gears meet up at, and so that's what makes the wheel spin. You see what I'm saying? Some of y'all probably knew that, some of y'all probably didn't. but the front axle, the front just has the bearings that go just like that, and the back ones have the axle one that goes on with the actual spine attached to it. So you'd have to, you know, buy the different part versus, you know, buying these same parts for all four around, because it's not going to work like that. Those spines have to be attached to that gear mechanism, so it's a slide in, and you don't have to take that pumpkin piece off and drain all the fluids, because when you take it out, it's just going to make a big old glob of mess, and so it probably requires a little bit more of it. So, but we are going to look into those today and see what we require, because we are going to be, you know, moving those back tires. That's the ultimate goal at the end of the day. All right, now that the parts are put on and everything, this is the moment of truth to see if turning off that traction control really did help out and helped us get this truck to burn out. So my boy on left, shout out again to my boy Doodoo for helping me swap out the hubs in the front. Next we're gonna do the hubs in the rear, and big shout out to him, man. You know, like, man, that traction control's been messed up for a little bit, and we finally got it done. We added some mods, and let's see what it do. Comment down below and let me know if you guys think it's gonna burn out after doing the hubs on it and turning off the traction control. Man, y'all hit that like button for seeing that burnout, man. But look, check this out. I couldn't really get on it like that, and look, I was on the dirt, so I couldn't even flex like that much. There's some other stuff right there, man, but we did it, man. Like some more skirts, marks. We did it, man. That traction control was really the only thing holding us back, man. And you know, now we're getting it. We can add a few extra mods on it, and then that thing will be a monster burning out. But for all the weight that's in it, man, there's like pounds of truck, man. This thing weighs a ton. And for it to have the power to make them things burn out like that, and subscribe and follow me on IG. For it to burn out like that, man, that shit, man, it's good. I like it. I'm very, very happy with it. Man, made my day. Okay, so quick recap of all the stuff we did to it to try to get it to this point to burn out like we just did right now. So number one, we swapped out the spark plugs, put better spark plug wires on it, and that was it. You know, the main thing about the changing the spark plugs was, like I said, there's 8 cylinders, and there were some that were messed up, broken and stuff like that, so there was probably only like 5 cylinders working. Okay, so then after that, the main thing, we need the traction control to be off, and to have it come off, we had to swap out and put the new hubs in the front with whole new sensors and everything. We did electrical cleaning on the sensors. I sprayed this stuff on it right before we connected it, so it gave us a nice solid connection. We mounted them in there. Then we tested out the truck, so I am very pleased with it to what it does right now. I know the more stuff that I add to it, it's going to make it even better. So, man, subscribe, man. You know, we can keep getting things accomplished on this truck. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like the you know, getting her done. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. So I'm gonna add the cold air intake next. And the coil packs, and I think that should be it for right now. And then we are gonna do the stunt wall panel in the back with probably like 2 12s, 4 10s, 2 6s, and like 4 tweeters, so we can flex out the back. Then we're gonna re-put everything in there. I'm gonna put new subs in there so that thing is jamming 100%. Put the door panel back on, wrap mount everything good. Get this truck cleaned up. I definitely put new tires on it before the classics, and I want to do the white letters on it so it gives it that sportier look, so it'll stand out. And maybe if I could do that splitter, that'd be awesome. And I think that should be it for the classics. And we're definitely gonna make it, and we are definitely gonna stunt out there, man. So, man, stay tuned, subscribe, man. Stay tuned for all these videos dropping, man. We can keep dropping these hits for y'all. So, man, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for all the new supporters, all the new followers, man, subscribers, whatever it is, man. You know, I bless y'all, man. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side.